Before buying a cordless finish nailer, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many of these tools might look similar, but the differences in performance can really make or break your project.
Product number 1, DeWalt DCN 680B. The DeWalt DCN 680B 20V Max XR 18-gauge cordless brad nailer. Priced at $347.95, this tool caught my attention because it promises to eliminate the hassle of gas and compressors. If you want consistent performance without all the extra gear, this is worth a serious look. This nailer is 100% battery powered, so you can work freely without dragging around hoses. The brushless motor maximizes runtime and durability, meaning you can rely on it for those bigger projects without worrying about battery life. With a micro nose for better line of sight, you'll nail those tricky spots with confidence. Plus, the tool-free depth adjustment lets you countersink nails precisely, which is essential when you're aiming for a professional finish. It's already a popular choice, with over 500 units sold in the last month. Now, some users have mentioned that the nail jams can be a hassle to clear. Here's the thing though, the tool has a tool-free jam release, so while it's not perfect, it's designed to minimize your downtime. If you're a pro or just someone who takes their DIY projects seriously, you'll find this tool is still worth it despite that. This is perfect for you if you're tackling cabinetry or trim work. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra budget friendly. Considering its features, it provides great value for the investment. Now, if the price of the DCN 680B caught your attention, but you want something with a few more features, let's check out the next option.
Product number 2, DeWalt DCN 680D1. We have the DeWalt 20V Max cordless brad nailer kit, which retails for $389.85. This one stood out because it comes as a complete kit, including the nailer and other essential components. If you want a comprehensive setup right away, this is worth a serious look. Similar to the DCN 680B, it's also 100% battery powered, meaning no gas or compressor is needed. The brushless motor is a game changer for efficiency and longevity. The micro nose design enhances your precision when placing nails, which is super handy for detailed work. This model also features tool-free depth adjustment and jam release, so you can quickly get back to work. It's built for ease, making it beginner-friendly while still being reliable enough for seasoned pros, and it's gained traction with over 400 units sold in just the past month. However, a few reviewers noted that it can be a bit heavier than expected. Here's my take. While it might feel a bit bulky, the performance and features you get make up for it. If you're prioritizing functionality over weight, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your woodworking projects. Skip this one if you're specifically looking for something lightweight. Given what you get, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their craft. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a finish nailer with a bit more punch. Product number 3, DeWalt DCN 660B. Let's talk about the DeWalt 20V Max Finish Nailer, angled 16 gauge A, priced at $369.95. This one really grabbed my attention because it combines power and ergonomics beautifully. If you want a tool that feels great to use while delivering serious performance, this is worth a serious look. This tool is also 100% battery powered, freeing you from cumbersome hoses and compressors. The brushless motor ensures you get maximum runtime, which is perfect for those longer jobs. The tool-free depth adjustment and jam release are standard features, but are crucial for smooth operation. It also has an adjustable belt hook for easy access, which I found very convenient. It's sold over 300 units recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity among users. However, some users have pointed out that it takes a bit of time to get used to the angle design. I get it, it can feel awkward at first, but once you adopt, it provides excellent reach and control. It's not a deal breaker for most, especially when you consider the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're working on trim and need something that's easy to work with. Skip this one if you prefer a straight nailer. Given its features, it's well worth the price for the quality you'll get. Now, if you're looking for something from a different brand that doesn't skimp on quality, the next option is a great alternative. Product number 4, Milwaukee M18 Fuel. Let's switch gears to the Milwaukee Electric M18 Fuel 15 gauge finish nailer, priced at $321.77. This caught my eye because Milwaukee is known for its robust tools. If you want something durable and reliable, this is worth a serious look. The M18 Fuel operates on a battery, giving you the freedom to nail without being tethered to a compressor or a gas canister. The tool-free jam clearing latch is a lifesaver, especially when you're in the middle of a project. It offers both sequential and contact actuation firing modes, which means you can choose how fast or precise you want to go. With over 200 sold recently, it's gaining traction among users who appreciate its performance. Now, some complaints have arisen about its weight, with some saying it feels heavier compared to competitors. But here's my perspective. The weight adds to its durability. If you're someone who uses nailers regularly, you'll appreciate the sturdiness and build quality. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable tool for heavy-duty jobs. Skip this one if you're looking for something lightweight and easy to handle. For the quality and durability, it's a great investment for serious users. Finally, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, let's check the last one on the list.
Product number 5, Craftsman V20. Last but not least is the Craftsman V20 cordless finish nailer, 16 gauge, bare tool only, priced at just $149. This one caught my attention for its affordability. If you're on a budget but still want a quality nailer, this is worth a serious look. This tool drives up to 375 nails per charge, so you'll have plenty of power for your projects. Being fully cordless means no hassle with compressors or hoses, which is a huge plus. It also features tool-free jam settings, making it user-friendly and convenient. Its lightweight design and optimal center of gravity make it comfortable to use over extended periods, which is crucial if you have a lot of work to do. It's already sold over 100 units, showing it's resonating with budget-conscious buyers. However, some users mentioned it may lack the power of higher-end models. Here's the thing. While it might not handle the heaviest jobs, it's perfect for lighter tasks and DIY projects. If you're just getting started or have smaller jobs, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer looking for a tool that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you need a tool for heavy-duty applications. Given its low price, it offers great value for casual users. So there you have it, the DeWalt DCN 680B for consistent performance, the DeWalt DCN 680D1 for a complete kit, the DeWalt DCN 660B for a well-rounded finish nailer, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel for durability, and the Craftsman V20 for a budget-friendly choice. Each has its strengths and weaknesses, so consider what fits your needs best before making a decision.